little tubes of deliciousness. With a little practice, you can make a sushi roll and serve up delightful Japanese dinners or stunning appetizers. All sushi rolls have two things in common. Sushi rice, special short-grained rice cooked and seasoned. It has a sticky consistency that's ideal for making sushi rolls. Nori, dried seaweed that comes in paper-thin squares. All the other ingredients are up to you. Some classic sushi rolls are California roll, which has crab, cucumber, and avocado. Philly roll, which is made from smoked salmon, cream cheese, avocado, cucumber. And cucumber roll, with just cucumber, a great choice for sushi newbies and kids. But you can make a sushi roll using any ingredients and combinations you want. Generally, you'll use 1 to 3 ingredients. Shall we get rolling? You need some basic tools: bamboo sushi roll mat, plastic wrap, rice paddle or wooden spoon, sushi knife or any sharp knife will do. Step 1. Lay out the mat. Place the bamboo sushi roll mat on a cutting board. Position the mat so that the bamboo strips are horizontal to you. Then place a sheet of plastic wrap on top of the bamboo mat. Step 2. Add the nori. Place a sheet of nori on top of the plastic wrap. Step 3. Add the sushi rice. Spread a layer of sushi rice over the nori. You'll use about 1 cup. Sushi rice is sticky, so wet your fingers with a little water to help pat the rice onto the nori. Leave a small part of each end of the nori uncovered so you can seal the roll. Step 4. Add the fish and veggies. Arrange the ingredients in the middle of the rice. Don't overpack the sushi roll or it will be too full to roll properly. Step 5. Get rolling. Bring the bottom of the mat with the plastic wrap up and over the ingredients. Press forward to shape the sushi into a tube. Roll with pressure so you get a firm roll. Keep rolling until about 1 inch of the top of the nori shows. To help seal it, rub a little cold water on the edge of the nori. You have a sushi roll. To firm up the roll, squeeze the mat around the roll until it feels uniform all over. Don't squeeze too hard. You don't want to smash the ingredients together or squeeze them out of the roll ends. Step 6. Cut and serve. Sushi should be served and eaten immediately so you enjoy the freshness of the ingredients. Place the roll on a cutting board. Wet the blade of the knife and slice the sushi roll into small pieces. You wet the knife with water and again between each cut to get a clean cut. Set the cut rolls on end and line up on a serving platter or sushi plates. Serve with wasabi, soy sauce, pickled ginger, and chopsticks. Sushi rolls are fun finger food for dinner or appetizers. Mix and match fresh whole ingredients to make the same rolls you've ordered in restaurants, or create your own sushi roll combinations. Sushi is as creative as it is delicious. Great sushi starts with great rice, and successful sushi rice is determined by 2 things: the type of rice you buy and how you cook it. We're going to show you the right rice and the right way to prepare it right now. Choose short grain rice. When it comes to sushi rice, size matters, or more specifically, grain length matters. Sushi rice is a short grain rice whose grains bond together nicely after cooking. Now let's make sushi rice. You can use a rice cooker, which is a fuss-free way to make any type of rice, or you can go old school and make it on the stovetop. This process is easy too, and that's what we're going to do here. You need a large pan and a stainless steel bowl. In addition to short grain rice, you need the following seasonings: rice vinegar, sugar, salt. Step 1. Rinse the rice. Put the rice in the pan and rinse it under the faucet. Run cold water over it until the water that runs out is almost clear. This takes a few minutes. Step 2. Bring the water and the rice to a boil. Add water to the pan using the amount required for the number of cups of rice you're cooking. Turn the burner heat to high and bring the water and rice to a boil and cover with a lid. Reduce the heat and simmer for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and leave covered for 10 minutes. Don't peek at the rice, it's still cooking even though the heat is off. If you lift the lid, you'll let out heat. Step 3. Add seasonings. Sushi rice is seasoned with rice vinegar, sugar, and salt. Mix together these 3 ingredients into a small bowl. You can experiment with the ratios to find the taste you like. We're using 5 tablespoons of rice vinegar and 2 tablespoons each of sugar and salt. Step 4. Mix the seasonings with the rice. Transfer the cooked rice into a large bowl and gently add the vinegar mix. Add the liquid a little at a time. Mix it gently into the rice with a wooden spatula using a slicing motion. Don't stir or beat the rice or you will make it too sticky. Cover the bowl with a clean, damp towel and let it cool for 30 to 60 minutes. Your sushi rice is ready for making sushi. See the consistency? It's a little sticky but nice and fluffy. Sometimes sushi is called sticky rice, which perfectly explains the consistency you want for sushi. A note about quantities. If you're making rice, make about a cup per person. You'll have enough to make sushi and some left over for a quick stir fry. Great sushi starts with great rice. Now you're ready to get rolling.